Hey, welcome back, Simple Homeowners. Today I'm at Lowe's and we happen to be here for something else, but I want to show you some of the gifts that they have on sale. And they'd probably be pretty good for somebody that's pretty handy at the house, or maybe not even so handy. Let me show you what I feel is a pretty good deal here. Well, this isn't necessarily the greatest deal. Klein tools are fairly expensive, but this I felt was a pretty good packet for somebody that's pretty handy and that likes tools. It's a 21-piece starter kit, and it comes with the screwdriver part. It's also got a wrench, and these sockets can go inside the wrench. Also, it says it's impact rated, but I feel that this is a good tool. While the price isn't the greatest, it's not a bad deal. It's a little higher than I wanted to spend, but for $40, it's actually Klein tools are really good. So let's move on to the next one. So Craftsman has these lime green handle type of tools. At first I wasn't real thrilled about that, but if you set them down somewhere, they'll be easy to find. And you always need something like this. So this is what I picked up today, and they're $6. Not the greatest price, but not bad either. But this is a pretty good tool for somebody that is a tool collector in the home. Another item that I thought was a fairly good deal and actually very handy around the house is the screwdriver. It's a ratcheting 3-in-1. It has the long bits on it. Also, you can change the bits here for it, ratcheting, and you get your choice here. For $20, you can get the sockets, the ratcheting one I just showed you, or an 8-piece screwdriver set. But that's not a bad price, and this thing is always handy, especially these long ones. You don't realize how handy they are till you actually use them. So that's not actually a bad deal. It's one of the better deals they have here today. Another item that they have is the 4 ratchets, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. That'll take care of everything that you need. $60. I guess for 3 of them, it's not too bad of a price. I was hemming and hawing about that because I need to update my ratchets, but I'll show you the other one that I got that I felt was probably not a bad price, but really it's not a bad price. I know they show it was originally $169, but that was way overpriced. Let me show you another item. So here's the ratchets you can get individually if you want. The 1/4 inch, the 80 tooth, or you can get the 96 tooth. I like that one better. You can get it, it's less room you need to ratchet. So I picked up one of these, the $20 ratchet, and that's not a bad deal. Actually, it's not bad at all. So out here they have some fairly good deals on things. This is one here I want to show you. They don't have the price up yet, so I went online and checked it out, and it says it's about $13. So we'll find out when we go check out. This is very handy. It's a 100-piece bit set, and what I like also has the security bits in it. Those are hard to find until you need them, but it shows you here everything that's in it. And for $13, that's a pretty good deal. So here's something that's just cute as it can be. They have a pink one and a blue one, $25. It's a little tool set for the little handy helper around the house. It's as cute as it can be. Kids will love that to help when you're trying to work around the house and give them something to do. So I wanted to just give a quick review of where we are here at Lowe's with some of the items that I found that I thought were a pretty good deal. Now each Lowe's might be different, but this is where we are. This is what they have out, and it's actually some pretty good prices, and it's not even Thanksgiving yet, so they might even go down lower, I'm not sure, but this is worth something to check out for stocking stuffers or just some quick, easy gifts for the person in your family that likes to work around or tinker around the house. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like stuff like this, please like and subscribe.